Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless water flossers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly, travel-ready, or advanced for your dental care routine, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So without further ado, let's dive right into the countdown. At number 5, we have the Sonic Flosser Portable Water Flosser for Teeth Pick. This model is designed to cater to both adults and individuals with sensitive gums, offering excellent versatility for daily oral care. The standout feature here is the 4-mode adjustable water pressure, which includes normal, sensitive, gum care, and deep clean modes. With 11 pressure settings, it allows you to fully customize your cleaning experience. Additionally, the 360-degree rotating nozzle provides easy access to those hard-to-reach areas, making it suitable for braces and orthodontic care. The build quality of the Sonic Flosser is impressive, with a 300 ml BPA-free detachable water tank that eliminates the need for frequent refills. The wide-mouth design makes it easy to clean and refill, while its IPX7 waterproof rating ensures safe use in the shower. The 30-day battery life is another highlight, requiring just a 4-hour charge to last for an entire month of daily use. This makes it a great choice for travelers or those who prefer a low-maintenance device. However, there are some trade-offs to consider. While it performs well in most scenarios, its slightly larger size may not be as compact as other options on this list. Additionally, the price isn't listed, which might make it difficult for budget-conscious buyers to evaluate. Overall, the Sonic Flosser is ideal for households and individuals seeking a reliable, customizable water flosser with robust features. Pros include its extensive pressure settings and long battery life, while the lack of a listed price and bulkier design are potential cons. Coming in at number 4 is the COSLUS Water Dental Flosser Pick for Teeth. This model is truly a standout for its precision clean technology, offering adjustable water pressure between 30 to 150 psi. Endorsed by American dental experts, it delivers up to 1,800 pulses per minute, making it highly effective for removing plaque and food debris, with 4 cleaning modes and 11 intensity levels. It's perfect for everything from daily oral care to sensitive gums and orthodontic maintenance. The design of this flosser is both practical and user-friendly. The 300 ml detachable water tank allows for up to 90 seconds of continuous cleaning, while its wide-mouth design makes refilling and cleaning a breeze. The IPX7 waterproof rating ensures safe use in the shower, and its compact, lightweight build is travel-friendly. The device also features a memory function that remembers your last used setting, adding an extra layer of convenience. Plus, with a quick 3-hour charge, you get up to 60 uses, making it ideal for extended trips or busy lifestyles. On the downside, COSLUS doesn't include a charging adapter to reduce waste, which might be inconvenient for some users. Additionally, while the build quality is durable, it lacks some of the premium features found in higher-ranked options. This water flosser is an excellent mid-range choice for those who value versatility, ease of use, and portability. Pros include its customizable settings and long battery life, while the absence of an adapter and slightly less polished feel compared to higher-end models are its cons. Our number 3 spot goes to the COSLUS Water Dental Flosser Teeth Pick. This model is renowned for its advanced dual-stream water pulse technology, delivering water pressure pulses at 1,400 to 1,800 times per minute for a deeper clean. Perfect for improving gum health and preventing bad breath, it features 3 operation modes: soft, normal, and pulse, making it suitable for users of all ages. The inclusion of 5 interchangeable tips also ensures that every family member can benefit from this device. The design is thoughtfully crafted, with an upgraded 300 ml water tank that lasts longer between refills. The IPX7 waterproof rating allows for safe use in the shower, and the noiseless motor ensures a quiet operation. A major selling point is the 30-day battery life, which doubles the duration of many competitors. With just 3 hours of charging, you can enjoy a full month of hassle-free use. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to pack for travel, and the USB charging feature adds to its convenience. However, the COSLUS Water Dental Flosser Teeth Pick has a few minor drawbacks. The device does not come with a charging adapter, which may require an additional purchase. Additionally, while its build is durable, it may feel less premium than some higher-end options. This flosser is perfect for families and frequent travelers looking for a reliable, easy-to-use water flosser. Key pros include its long battery life, large water tank, and robust pressure settings. The cons are the lack of an adapter and a slightly less refined build. In second place, we have the Waterpik Cordless Pearl Rechargeable Portable Water Flosser. As a budget-friendly option, this flosser delivers exceptional performance without breaking the bank. It features 2 pressure settings and uses Waterpik's precision pulse technology to remove up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas. The 360-degree rotating tip ensures you can reach every corner of your mouth, while its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for extended use. The design is sleek and compact, making it perfect for travel or small bathroom spaces. The 7-ounce water reservoir, while smaller than some competitors, offers up to 45 seconds of flossing time and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. This model is not designed for use in the shower, but its quiet operation makes it ideal for discreet use at home. The rechargeable NIMH battery is reliable and convenient, with a USB charger included for easy recharging. On the downside, the limited pressure settings may not offer the same level of customization as some higher-end models. Additionally, the smaller water tank may require frequent refills for extended sessions. However, for its price, the Waterpik Cordless Pearl is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a simple, effective water flosser. Pros include its affordability, compact design, and ADA acceptance. Cons are the smaller water reservoir and fewer pressure settings. Finally, at number 1, we have the Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 Water Flosser. As the premium option on our list, this model is packed with features that make it worth the investment. It offers 3 pressure settings and uses Waterpik's precision pulse technology to effectively remove plaque and bacteria. With a 360-degree rotating tip, it's incredibly easy to clean hard-to-reach areas, making it perfect for braces, implants, and sensitive gums. The design is both elegant and functional. The 7-ounce reservoir provides up to 45 seconds of continuous flossing, and it's dishwasher safe for easy maintenance. What sets this model apart is its rapid magnetic USB charging system, which powers the device in just 4 hours and lasts for up to 4 weeks. The addition of a microfiber travel bag and tip storage case makes it travel-ready, while its IPX7 waterproof rating allows for use in the shower. The only potential drawback is the higher price point, which might be a deterrent for budget-conscious buyers. However, the Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 is the ultimate choice for those who want a top-tier water flosser with unmatched convenience and performance. Key pros include its premium build quality, advanced features, and travel-friendly design. The only con is its higher cost, but for the features offered, it's worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy flossing, and take care of your smile.